In this video, I am going to guide you on how to contact your driver through the Moovn app. This helps ensure smooth coordination and avoids any confusion during pickup. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your smartphone. 2. Log into your account if you have not already. 3. Tap on the My Rides or Upcoming Rides section. 4. Select the active or scheduled ride you want to view. 5. Open the ride details by tapping on it. 6. Look for the contact or call message driver option. 7. Tap on the call or message button to connect with your driver. 8. Use the available method to communicate your instructions or ask questions. This feature helps ensure smoother coordination with your driver. Use it to avoid delays and misunderstandings.